In today's digital world, technology is shaping the future of education, banking, healthcare, governance, and global business. Computer science engineering is the driving force of the digital revolution. The Diploma in Computer Science Engineering empowers young women to become confident technology professionals ready for the opportunities of the modern world. Students learn powerful technologies such as C, C++, Java, Python, data structures, database management systems, networking, web development, operating systems, cybersecurity. Through hands-on learning and real projects, students develop valuable skills in coding, software development, troubleshooting, database management, networking, and cybersecurity. After completing the diploma, exciting careers await as web developers, computer programmers, IT support executives, database administrators, and network technicians in IT companies, startups, banks, government departments, and digital service organizations. Students can also pursue respected government careers such as information assistant and school computer teacher in Rajasthan. Dreaming bigger? Continue your journey with BTech through lateral entry directly into the second year, or specialize in emerging fields like artificial intelligence, data science, and cybersecurity. Join the Diploma in Computer Science Engineering at Shridevi Women Polytechnic and turn your passion for technology into a powerful career. Shridevi Women Polytechnic, empowering women for the digital future.